Good evening, YouTube. Brian here with VetteSource, getting back after it again with some more Corvette parts for you guys to take a look at. Tonight, what I'm going to feature real quick would be actually a finish panel or a padded panel. This would actually be for 86 to 1996 Corvette convertibles only. Now, if you're looking at this, you know this is a pretty big piece. What this thing does, this is a finish panel that goes on your convertible deck lid. And what happens is when your top is down, you can see this finish panel, and this is what sits behind the driver's head. So the driver's seat would be right here, and this is your finish panel on that deck lid that covers the convertible top. Now you can see this is kind of this burgundy color, so for you guys that are in the know or know about these, this would be the 1993 40th anniversary color, the ruby red. And if you remember specifically, I pulled this out of a 93 40th anniversary convertible, just a basket case. It was at a pick-apart yard that had been really just hammered. It was flooded and left for dead, basically. There's a link up there to that video that I took of that one. This is a really nice piece. They're hard to find with, again, being as old as they are, in decent shape. You can see this one really cleaned up real nice. The grain's really beautiful on it still. You know, it's got a few little nicks on it. There's one on this corner right here, and I think that's the only spot that has. No, it's got one more on this corner too, but they're very minor, very small. A little bit of rubbing on that edge, but you can see the material is real nice. Underneath, the fasteners are all still here. This actually just bolts to that deck lid through there. And then it's got, there's another clip, yeah, right here that goes through right there. It bolts that into place and holds it so it doesn't flop around. So you can see, and this is just a fiberglass piece that's molded and placed on the deck lid. This is actually some of the original inspection certificate that was on it from the manufacturer. And I want to say, you know, I think Rockwell made this. Now this is interesting. This is actually from a salvage yard, so somebody that ever had this car bought this and replaced it at one point to get, like I said, it's a 1 year only part that's only on these ruby red cars. And you can see originally it's just a black material, and then they dye it with that ruby red color from there. And like I said, I think that's Rockwell that makes these. But I do have this one available for sale. Like I'm showing you, it's in really, really good shape. Really look nice in your car. If you get a ruby red 40th anniversary convertible that's missing one of these or has a damage on it, if you get an interest, you can reach me at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian. I've been dealing in Corvette parts for 20 years or more than 20 years now. So give me a call. Let me know what you're looking for. If you got any comments or want to reach me through the comments section below, you can also do that there. So thanks again for watching to the end, guys, and we will be back tomorrow with some more. See you then.